Everyone thinks the best-selling dog poop scooper is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1: TOOGE Pooper Scooper. The TOOGE Pooper Scooper is a heavy-duty option that immediately caught my attention with its durable stainless steel design. Priced at $16.99, it's a bestseller for a reason. If you want to scoop poop without bending over, this is worth a serious look. No more back pain from bending over. It's easy to assemble with a clip-on structure that means the tray stays put. Plus, it's rust-proof so you can clean it off quickly and store it easily. With over 14,900 reviews and a solid 4.6-star rating, it's clear that many dog owners have found it reliable. Now, some people complained about the weight, saying it feels a bit heavy. Here's the thing though, while it is sturdy, the weight means it's also durable. If you're looking for a lightweight option, this might not be it, but if you want something that will last, it's a good trade-off. This is perfect for you if you have a medium to small dog and want to tackle those messy cleanups without hurting your back. Skip this one if you prefer something lighter for quick trips to the park. For the quality, it's a great value for money. Now, if TOOGE's weight bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2: MXF Pooper Scooper. The MXF Pooper Scooper is another great pick that caught my eye. Priced at $16.99, it offers an ergonomic design that's hard to ignore. If you want an easy-to-assemble, lightweight option, this one's worth considering. What's really interesting about the MXF is its adjustable handle that reaches up to 38 inches. This feature is especially helpful for dog owners who have trouble bending down. The tray is made of high-quality aluminum, ensuring durability and rust protection. Plus, the entire unit weighs only about 1.5 pounds, making it incredibly easy to carry around. With 6,400 reviews and a 4.6-star rating, it's clear that many find it effective. However, some users mention that the assembly can be a bit tricky if you don't follow the instructions closely. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, it's pretty straightforward. If you're someone who doesn't want to deal with complicated setups, just follow the guide and you'll be fine. This is perfect for you if you need something lightweight and portable for dog walks. Skip this one if you're looking for something with a larger scoop. It's a solid choice for its price. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for larger dogs. Product number 3: ROIUBPO Pooper Scooper. The ROIUBPO Pooper Scooper is a fantastic choice if you're after something sturdy and efficient. Priced at $16.14, it's a great deal for what it offers. If you're looking for something durable that handles various surfaces, this is worth your attention. What stands out about this scooper is its all-metal construction, which promises long-lasting use. It's lightweight at just 1.72 pounds and it's rust-resistant, so cleanup is a breeze. With a 4.6-star rating from 4,000 reviewers, it clearly delivers on its promises. However, a few users pointed out that the handle could feel a bit flimsy under heavy usage. Here's the thing, while it might not be as robust as some others, it's designed for medium and small dogs, so it should hold up fine for regular pet owners. This is perfect for you if you have smaller dogs and want a reliable, easy-to-use scooper. Skip this one if you need something for larger breeds. For the price, it's a great value. Now, if ROIUBPO's size doesn't fit your needs, the next option is designed for bigger messes. Product number 4: TOOGE Larger Pooper Scooper. The TOOGE Larger Pooper Scooper is made for those who have bigger dogs or multiple pets. Priced at $24.99, it offers a larger tray that really caught my eye. If you want to make your cleanup faster, this is definitely worth considering. This scooper features an extra-large tray measuring 9 x 9.5 inches, which means you can pick up more waste at once. It also has an extended reach of 38 inches, making it comfortable to use without bending. The metal construction ensures it's sturdy and rust-proof, which is always a plus. With a 4.5-star rating from 1,800 reviews, it's clear that users appreciate its size. Now, some folks mentioned that the larger size could be cumbersome for storage. This is perfect for you if you have large or multiple dogs and want to make cleanup quick and efficient. Skip this if you have a small space for storage. It's a solid investment for pet owners. Alright, that's a great option. But if you're looking for something truly portable, check out the next one. Product number 5, SZHLUX28 Pooper Scooper. The SZHLUX28 Pooper Scooper is a unique foldable option that has really impressed me. Priced at $17.99, it's designed for convenience, especially if you're on the go. If you want something lightweight and portable, this one's definitely worth a look. What's great about this scooper is that it's made from durable ABS material, making it both lightweight and sturdy. The 28-inch height means you won't have to bend down, which is a huge plus. It's also foldable, making it easy to take along for walks or trips to the park. Its snap-tight design prevents any waste from leaking out, which is a thoughtful feature. With a 4.5-star rating from 5,000 reviews, users seem satisfied. However, some users did find the folding mechanism a bit tricky at first. Here's the thing though, once you get used to it, it's pretty intuitive. If you're looking for ease of use, this can actually be a great option. This is perfect for you if you need a lightweight scooper for on-the-go cleanups. Skip this if you prefer something more heavy-duty for home use. It offers great value for its price. So there you have it, 5 fantastic dog poop scoopers to consider. From the heavy-duty TOOGE options to the portable SZHLUX, there's something for every dog owner. Think about your specific needs, and you'll find the perfect fit for your cleanup routine.